Hello. I want to tell you something. What happened last night at 8:30 p.m. My neighbor was having an affair with the mailbox last night.
The mailbox or the mailman?
The mailman, not the mailbox. What I'm trying to say is he got a little ass beaten by the husband.
Oh,
So he came home and found out. Mm-hmm. There were. Yeah, it happened. Yeah, he was not very happy camper. So he called a cop, or I guess he didn't beat the guy up. He just slapped him around a little bit. But yeah, he called the cops on him. That was the end of it.
You good?
Mm-hmm.